Hi, everybody. How are you doing today? I hope that you're doing good today. So, my name is Ronnie Lara, and I'm a teacher of English of a public school in the Dominican Republic. I'm recording this video just to let you know that I'm going to start sharing content about my experience as a teacher of English. You know that learning English has its challenges. It is not easy for everybody. So I just want to share with you how has been the process of teaching English to students in the Dominican Republic. And I think I can learn from you as well as you can learn from me. So if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to this channel or whatever you see this video, because we both can learn from each other. So it is all, and wait to see more videos like this one.